These things are monsters. And they have monstrous heavy weapons, like extra crazy heavy weapons. With crazy heavy splash damage. Look at that. Whatever that is, I almost killed it. Look at that. That's insane. That is insane. So this is the brand new Titan robot named Arthur. It is a beast. It's got giant shields. It's got some ability that I can't figure out what it does yet. It looks like it lets off like a little dust cloud when you let it off. So I think your enemies have to be really close to you in order for this to work. Can I hit this guy, or is he... No, I guess I can't hit him. Let's go for that. Perfect. But these weapons do seem like they take a really long time to recharge. And I don't know why, but I got my shields to the side instead of in front of me. I must have accidentally hit the space bar. That cost me a little bit of health right there. I don't know if his movement speed gets better. Depending on where his shields are. It doesn't really look like it. Let's try and destroy this Arthur. I mean, these things do massive damage. These weapons are crazy. Look at this, man. Three Arthurs traveling in a pack is just brutal. That guy made a really bad mistake. This guy is not in a good place either. Look at that. That's massive. This is crazy, man. Crazy. I heard a rumor that they're actually going to give some of these robots away for free. I don't know if it's true or not, but it would be pretty crazy. I guess there's going to be this one and 2 more gigantic Titan robots. But look, I mean, we're just dominating. 3 of us traveling in a pack, and we're killing everybody. I mean, these people don't even stand a chance. Now, I don't know about these weapons because this reload time is ridiculous. It's taken forever to reload. Oh. This robot is a beast. Alright, come on in so I can go ahead and use... He just used that. It looked like that did some crazy damage to that guy. I think. See what I mean? It said it looks like someone let off a dust cloud. That was the first time I've seen that used when somebody was actually close enough to an opponent to make it work. As soon as you land, you're dead, buddy. As soon as you land, you are dead. Oh, that was such a bad move on his part. Oh, you got a purple shield, do you? Well, I think my shields have been destroyed. Look at that. That's just... Alright, so mine died.